Hey guys, I'm Anthony, and today we're going to be checking out our brand new Ring Trio fans. I'm super excited about this, so let's go ahead and get started. The Ring Trios offer 3 independent lighting zones with a total of 30 addressable LEDs, all connected by a single cable to the controller, providing an unrivaled experience. Engineered for both chassis and liquid cooling, the Ring Trios support multiple configurations, so no worries whether you're running your fans in push-pull or exhaust, thanks to the front, back, and center hub lighting zones. With more than 20 different preset modes and more on the way, and the ability to sync all lighting zones to one mode or use a different mode for each zone, as you can see here, to give your PC that style that it deserves. As the newest addition to the TT RGB Plus ecosystem, we've spared no expense. On top of the included TT RGB Plus app, there is integrated support for Amazon Alexa, voice control, and mobile app customization. We also have support for Razer's Chroma software coming later this year, which means it has never been easier to adjust your PC's lighting. If you would prefer to use your motherboard's included lighting software, just add in a TT Sync controller. Compatible with select Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASRock motherboards that come with 5V RGB headers. Okay, well thanks again for joining us guys. It's definitely been fun. Be sure to stay cool and we'll catch you in the next one.